everybody, how are you guys doing? I know it's been a really long time. I know I promised a different video. We've had a lot of weather, winter weather I guess you'd call it for us, and rain and all kinds of things, and so instead of doing the Be Organized like I promised, we have the brand new and re-released Superstar Jujube. This is in Harry Potter print. As you can see, it was originally spoiler alert, it was originally called Potterheads, but now it's called Cheering Charms. And as you can see, number one thing I would say is I did not expect it to be this huge. So it's huge. And if you hear airplanes, I'm sorry. This is a new camera, so we're testing out how everything works. So this is the size of it, and it has it's, from what I've heard, it's a reused print, but it's actually much more saturated and less muted than all the other Loungefly and brands that have been using this similar print. And it has its own little special touches. I'm going to show it to you like this for a minute, all filled up, and then I have one to show you all the features. So there's a bunch of new features on this bag. And one thing that's really cool is there are sort of, not blind bag, but mystery, I'll do that in a minute. So this is what it looks like filled up. And I'll try and show you what it looks like opened up with stuff inside of it. Guess what's inside of it? I want to show you. My Kuji from Japan. So this is it's filled up with a lot of clean towels and my Japanese prize, the lottery prize. It's gigantic. I would say this is more like luggage size or some kind of hobby that takes a lot of items on a weekly basis, soccer, dance, that kind of thing. So I'm going to put it off here on the side. We can look at it. And I'm going to bring up the other one. So it's a lot of fabric. There's a lot going on here. So this new, the new one is $84 retail, MSRP. And so what I wanted to show you guys is that there's random pulls. So random keychain pulls, or not keychain pulls, sorry, random zipper pulls with the 3 different characters. So we've got, this one has at least one of each. So not all the bags have each character. So you've got, this one I think has 2 of one and 1 of each else. So there's, altogether I believe there's a zipper pull for the shoe compartment, one for the outside pocket here, and then 2 for the main compartment. So I'll start with the main compartment. No, I'll start with the shoe pocket. So this is a new feature, the shoe pocket, but also I love these kinds of pockets for traveling because this is soft, of course. That would be stupid for it not to be soft. Because what you do is when you're done, you can rotate out the clean with the dirty, and you can shove whichever one you want to do. If you're going to have more dirty, you might keep the dirty in the other one and the clean on this side. This is only so big, so it's this big. I was going to bring out a yardstick. We're already filming, so to show you how huge this bag is. So you can adjust that, and then this has the print on this side. So this is the inside print. It's a golden and maroon colored, the striping. So, and then there's one zipper for this side. Another great feature is it has these very sturdy D-rings to add your shoulders or adjustable straps. So those are cool, and it has these straps. So you can either, some people might chop them off, or you can have the ability to have them here like this. And then if you want to, you can try to hide them inside the bag. It's hard for me to really show the whole bag because it's so big and floppy. Sorry about that. So it comes with this bookmark that you can use. So the other nice thing that I like that they did, instead of magnets, they have actual snaps. Already? Okay. So they have snaps, and then this outside pocket, and then this front pocket here. It's a smaller pocket. You could probably put your phone in there, and then we'll show the inside, and then we'll be done. So this is the inside. Okay. So this is the inside. It's very big. It's so big it's hard to show you. So here we go. Something like this. And like this. So there are no other pockets in here besides the dirty laundry pockets. So it looks like this. Very large. As you can see, I have gorilla arms, and so that's the whole bag. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and I'll answer them as best I can. So this is Cheering Charms, Harry Potter times Jujube. It was released on December 10th. And I'll try to have more videos coming soon. Sorry about the delay, and you guys have a good day. Please follow me at Iconic Obsessions on Instagram also, and also on YouTube. You can follow, you can subscribe. Okay, thank you everybody. Thanks for watching.